Okay, let's install the new Jetpack app. Tap on install. Let's see what it's all about. It's for productivity, art and design, graphics design. It works together with WordPress. So it helps create and manage your WordPress site on the go, write, edit and publish from anywhere, keep up with your stats on the go, stay up to date with instant notifications, creating any type of site in a few taps actually. Professional designs to help you build. Seems this is good for now. So it's installing. Let's see details. Okay. As for data safety, let's see about the app. Okay. Build your WordPress website and blog, create posts, add photos and track analytics using Jetpack for WordPress. So if Jetpack for WordPress puts the power for publishing in your pocket, Jetpack is a website creator and so much more. It helps to create, give you big ideas and so on the web. Jetpack for Android is a website builder and a blog maker powered by WordPress. You can use it to create your website. Okay, you can pick the right look and feel from a wide selection of WordPress themes, then customize with photos, colors, and fonts so it's uniquely you. It has built-in quick start tips to guide you through the setup basics to set up your new website for success. Then you get your website creator, then your partner and sharing squad. Alright, seems they are really good. So we're downloading and installing Jetpack powered by WordPress. Okay, we've done that. Next is to open it up. So click on open. So let's try again. Say something went wrong. Let's try again and see. Alright, it has worked. So continue with WordPress.com. So we've successfully downloaded the Jetpack app. So that is how to download it. Download and install the Jetpack app.